Hello friends, I'm Dr. Saman Fatima, your pediatric educator. Welcome to Frontal Lobe. So these days we are learning about the classifications of protein energy malnutrition. So the most important and the best classification that we have to know about is WHO classification. Now WHO has taken two parameters into account. The first one is weight for height and the second one is height for age. A weight for height is also known as, this is also known as wasting, and it indicates acute malnutrition. Whereas height for age is also known as stunting and it indicates chronic malnutrition. Now, weight for height is a better indicator of acute malnutrition rather than weight for age. आपको अगर याद हो तो बाकी सारे classification that we have read, Wellcome Trust, Gomez and IAP classification, they have taken into account weight for age. That is why they are not good classifications. WHO has taken into account only weight for height for acute malnutrition and weight for height for age for chronic malnutrition. I hope this is understood. Now, there are only two categories, moderate and severe. So, there are reference charts, WHO growth charts, against which we see whether the children's weight for height falls between -2 to -3 standard deviation or less than -3 standard deviation. So, if it is between -2 to -3 standard deviation, it is it is moderate malnutrition. So, if the weight for height is between -2 to -3 standard deviation, it is moderate acute malnutrition. If it is less than -3, then it is severe acute malnutrition or SAM. If the height for age falls between -2 to -3 standard deviation, it is moderate chronic malnutrition. If it is less than -3 standard deviation, it is chronic, severe chronic malnutrition. I hope you understand this.